Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to examine Proton Mail plus PGP, the ultimate encryption guide. Proton Mail is already end-to-end encrypted, so why do we want to use PGP? For ultimate control and interoperability with anyone on any email service. This is advanced but powerful, so let's break it down. Let's understand the why of the power. Proton's encryption works seamlessly within its own ecosystem. PGP is the open standard that lets you extend that strong encryption to non-Proton users. You control the keys and you can communicate securely with anyone who uses PGP, even if they use Gmail or Outlook. How does this work? Using your keys. PGP uses two keys. Your public key is like an open lock. You can share it with everyone so they can encrypt messages meant for you. But your private key is the key that unlocks it. You must keep this secret and secure on your device. It is used to decrypt messages sent to you. Proton Mail automatically manages this for you internally, but you can also use your own. Now, the how-to. How do you use external PGP keys? 1. You actually have to generate the keys first. Use a trusted tool like Cleopatra, Kleopatra, Cleopatra, on Windows and Linux, or GPG Suite on Mac to create your PGP key pair. Keep your private keys safe. The second thing is to import to Proton. In your Proton Mail settings, go to Encryption and Keys and find PGP keys. Here you can import your existing public and private keys. Thirdly, set as default. Once imported, you can mark your personal key as default for sending mail. This means Proton will use your key instead of the one it's generated for you. Lastly, export and share. Export your public key from this same menu. You can share this file or copy the public key block to your website or key directions so you can find it. Now, how do we send and receive PGP mail? When you write an email to an external PGP user, attach their public key to their contacts in Proton Mail. Proton will automatically encrypt the message with their key and send it with yours for verification. When someone encrypts a message with your public key, Proton Mail will automatically use your imported private key to decrypt it when you open the message. Here's a recap. Let me give you a crucial warning first. If you use your own keys, you are 100% responsible for their security and backup. If you lose your private key, you lose access to emails encrypted with it. In short, let's do a recap now. Import your keys into Proton's secure interface to take full portable control of your end-to-end encryption. And that's basically it. Hope you found this video helpful.